Welcome to Bahir Dar, one of the most breathtaking cities in all of Africa. Nestled along the southern shores of the majestic Lake Tana, this hidden gem of Ethiopia combines natural beauty, rich history, and peaceful charm. From the source of the legendary Blue Nile to its roaring waterfalls, Bahir Dar is more than a city. It is a journey through nature, heritage, and serenity. In today's video, we'll take you on a complete tour of this paradise. We'll explore the glistening waters of Lake Tana, uncover the secrets of its ancient monasteries, stand in awe before the mighty Abay Falls, and reveal why Bahir Dar might be Ethiopia's most beautiful city. Bahir Dar, which means seashore in Amharic, is the capital of Ethiopia's Amhara region. It's a city that flows with peace. Wide avenues lined with palm trees, a laid-back atmosphere, and the refreshing presence of Lake Tana make it feel more like a resort town than a bustling city. Located about 565 kilometers northwest of Addis Ababa, Bahir Dar is easily accessible by road and air. Over the years, it has become a favorite destination for both local and international tourists, not just for its beauty, but also for its proximity to some of Ethiopia's greatest natural wonders. But make no mistake, Bahir Dar is not just a stop on the way to somewhere else. It is the destination. At the heart of Bahir Dar is Lake Tana, Ethiopia's largest lake, covering more than 3,000 square kilometers. This is not just a lake, it's a living, breathing ecosystem. Its calm, blue waters are dotted with more than 30 islands, some of which are home to ancient monasteries that date back to the 14th century. Fishermen in traditional papyrus boats, known as tankwa, still glide across the lake at sunrise, continuing a way of life that has remained unchanged for centuries. And for bird lovers, Lake Tana is a paradise, hosting over 200 species of birds, from pelicans to kingfishers. But perhaps the most important fact about Lake Tana is this. It is the source of the Blue Nile River, one of the most iconic rivers in world history. From the southern edge of Lake Tana, a narrow outlet of water begins a journey of more than 1,400 kilometers, eventually merging with the White Nile in Sudan to form the Great Nile River. This small outlet is known as the Blue Nile, or Abay River in Amharic. For centuries, explorers from around the world sought the source of the Nile. It was here, in Bahir Dar, that they found one of its most powerful origins, Lake Tana. The Blue Nile contributes more than 80% of the water and silt that flows into Egypt, making this humble outlet one of the most geopolitically important rivers in the world. Bahir Dar is more than a destination, it is a feeling. A place where water, culture, and history come together in perfect harmony. Whether you're gazing over the vast expanse of Lake Tana, feeling the mist of the Blue Nile falls on your skin, or sharing coffee with a local family, Bahir Dar will stay with you long after you leave. This is Ethiopia at its most peaceful, most powerful, most poetic. This is Bahir Dar.